I have just bought a house with a built-in Diplomat double electric oven. I am unable to locate the model number and the user manual wasn't left behind by the previous owner. The kitchen was probably installed late 2003/early 2004. Do you have any ideas as to the probable model number? A Diplomat dishwasher was installed at the same time, and that is at ADP 8332, so I'm guessing it was all from the same range installed by MFI. Thanks.
Hi, my name is. I look forward to helping you. Look on the back or the bottom right-hand side of drop-down door. The model tag, a silver plate or label. That will identify the oven's model number. See anything there?
Definitely no obvious tag. We found a sticky, discolored label, most of which is missing, and it's so brown and stained we can't decipher it. Is there likely to be another label somewhere? If I were to undo the screws at each side that I think holds it in place, will it just slide out, or is it a bit more complicated than that?
It will slide out after the retaining screws are removed, yes. There may be some identifying marks on the top or on the back, but the main model tag should be accessible from the front. It is probably the one that is not able to be read. Can you post a few pictures of the oven?
Sorry for deal, Kelly, we don't actually live at the property as yet. Here are a couple of pictures of the cooker. Hope this works.
I think that is an ADP 4520. Does the top oven grill element look like the picture below? Does the lower element look like the one below?
Hi Kelly, the grill element seems to look like the top picture. I can't see a lower element.
It is hidden in that model under the oven floor. My apologies. I am pretty sure that is the model of the oven you have.
Thanks for your help, Kelly. Regards, Janice.
You bet, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.